All right, since these radicals have the same radicand, same number inside the radical, and they are both square roots, we are allowed to add them. So we're going to take the numbers in front of the radical, the 4, plus, and if there is no number, we could always put a 1, because we can multiply 1 by any radical and it doesn't affect it. So we're going to do 4 plus 1 is 5, and we get 5 radical 3. And then we have to make sure our square root is completely simplified. So if we take a look at our list here, none of these numbers here can go into 3. So we know we cannot simplify the square root of 3. All right, here we do not have the same numbers inside the radical, so we cannot subtract. So we're going to go ahead and simplify. So if we take a look at our number here, number list here, I know that 9 can go into 27. So square root of 9 times the square root of 3 is 27. And then if we bring down the 6, we have 6 times 3, so we have 18 radical 3 there. And then if we take a look at the list over here, I know 25 can go into 75 3 times. Square root of 25 is 5, and we get 5 radical 3. And we're subtracting them. So 18 minus 5 is 13 radical 3. All right, when we multiply, they only need to have the same index. The numbers inside the radical do not need to be the same. So we can multiply these. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then before we say we're done, we need to look at our list over here and see if any of these numbers can go into 12. So since 4 can, we can simplify it. The square root of 4 is 2, so we get 2 radical 3. All right, we are multiplying here. We have to have the same index. So since these index are not the same, it cannot be simplified. So cannot be simplified. All right, since these have the same index, they're both square roots, we can go ahead and multiply them. 5 times 4 is 20, and since we're multiplying, our rule when we're multiplying is to add the exponents. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So now we need to simplify square root of 20, so we look at our list, and I know 4 can go into 20. So we get 2 radical 5. Now to simplify the exponent, since this is a square root, 2 goes into 5 twice with 1 left over. So we're going to have, since it went in twice, we're going to have x to the second power, but there was 1 left. That was a remainder, so there's going to be 1 left here. So that is our answer. All right, here we are dividing. We cannot do this because the 6 is not in a radical. So the only thing we can do here is to simplify radical 27. So 9 can go into 27 3 times. So we get 3 radical 3 all over 6. And then we could look outside the radical and simplify 3 over 6 is the same thing as 1/2. And we could also write our answer without that 1 because 1 times anything is itself.